Hello, that's weird. Oh no. Ew! What is this? Oh my god, now I gotta do math. What's up guys? It's Christina Cruz, aka CC Barra, and today I am so excited to be filming this video. I personally am a huge fan of watching these types of videos online, so to be finally filming my own, I'm just over the moon excited. I don't know if you can see, but I got a big old box right here, and I'm going to be unboxing a Target general merchandise mystery box today. I have no idea what's in this box. They send you 10 random items, whether it's leftover items, they had too many, maybe it was a returned item, wholesale, anything like that from Target could be in this box. I got my mystery box today from an online retailer. I believe it's CAC, C-A-K Supply. This box was the Target General Merchandise box. It was originally $125, but they were running a 20% off promotion, so yay for savings. So I got this box for $100, I believe with shipping. So depending on what's in this box, it could be a really good deal. So let's go ahead and jump right in to the mystery box. I got some scissors. Shout out to Amazon for these awesome scissors. They were the #1 kitchen scissors on Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead, open up the box, and then start pulling out our items one by one to see what we got. All right, we're gonna pull out the first item. I'm so nervous about what this could be. I'm just really hoping there aren't any like car parts in this box. So, oh God. All right, so the first item, hold on, which actually would be perfect for my nieces. Oh my God, they're so cute. Okay, so they're kids' boots, which these are adorable. I could actually send these to my nieces. What size are they? They're Cat and Jack. They still have the tags. They look completely new, like the bottoms aren't scuffed up or anything. So these are Cat and Jack size 2 blush pink boots. Oh my God, these are adorable. I don't know if you can tell on the inside, there's this really cute flower pattern. So those score. First item I'm very pleased with. That's awesome. Some unused boots. All right, I'm gonna pull out the next thing. Oh God, what the is this? Oh, wow. I was like pulling this and it's moving. I had no idea what it was. This is an LED dimmable desk lamp with color temperature control. Okay. I mean, I don't necessarily know what I would do this. I mean, we have plenty of lamps already, but maybe we could put this out in the garage. Still has the tags on it. Whoops. Okay. A lamp. I mean, I love lamp, right? All right, so we are gonna pull out number 3. So far, I'm happy. What is this? Oh. What is this? Okay, it's a children's toy, a child's toy, and I am so out of the loop with kids' toys. I have no idea what this is. This definitely looks like a return. It's like all taped up. But let me go ahead and untape it and see what we're working with here. It says something on the top. Rainbow corns. Oh my God, again, this is perfect for my nieces. Okay, this is adorable. Are you kidding me? It's a little plush. It has little wings. Okay, what is this thing? It's got rabbit ears, wings, big old eyes. Can you see those eyes? This is so cute. This also smells really good. I don't know if that's from the person that returned it. Oh yeah, this has definitely been opened. There's nothing in this wrapper. Ew! What the f? What? So I think you like make slime, well the original packaging, you make your own slime I think, but then they just like return it with the slime in the bag. What the fuck? That's disgusting. So that's gonna go in the garbage. And then I think they probably, the kid, whoever had this, like made the necklace. Even though it was clearly used and returned, I don't even understand if your kid literally used the slime, did the necklace, put it together, why are you returning this thing? But it is really cute. And since I'm already gonna be sending those boots to my nieces, I mean, they would love this. They love stuffies. So this, I'm not mad at. Even though it's returned, it's fine. Oh no. Ooh! Okay. So this is a Threshold, so the Target brand, Velvet Sham, standard in a rice stitch channel design. Okay, this is really cute. It's so soft. It's completely unopened. It has the ribbon completely attached. I'm gonna go ahead and open it so we can see what it actually looks like. This could definitely go in our guest room or something. It's like padded. Oh wow. It's like a taupey color. I wonder if you guys can see up close. So soft. And you can see the stitching all throughout. So this win, so soft. Oh my God. Imagine laying your head on this. Chef's kiss. All right, going in for the next item. Okay, this is heavy. Okay, room essentials. Bed risers. Okay. It was on clearance, so it was originally $8, and then it went down to $2.40. We definitely don't need any bed risers. I'm thinking, what could we do? These are just plastic, so they're black plastic risers. Oh, there's two of them. 2 sets. That's kind of cool. No idea what I would use these for. So this, probably not useful for us. Those bed risers are the first thing that I really don't see myself using or seeing myself gifting to anyone in my family. So let's go ahead and look at the next item. Okay, some shorts, maternity shorts. Oh my God. Now this is gonna be funny to show my boyfriend. Some maternity shorts. I wish I knew somebody that was pregnant because these are actually super adorable. Really cute jean shorts. And then they have the, you know, the elastic belly band. These are Isabel Maternity by Ingrid and Isabel. They were originally $22.99 and they were on clearance for $6.89. All right, so another item that I personally won't be using, but these are brand new, so I could definitely see myself donating these to a local women's shelter. I think that would come into handy. Would be very helpful for a woman, you know, who's pregnant and needs some maternity clothes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull another one out. Oh, I think this is a bra. Yes, and it's way too small for me, I can already tell. Okay. Maidenform, wireless, strapless. What size is it? A 34B. Again, I don't know anyone with a 34B. Okay, if this was my size, that would be so cute. Look at that bra. All right, so this looks like it's not been used. It has all the tags on it, connected still. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna get any use out of it, but somebody else will. All right, so bra, it's a no for me, dog, because it won't fit me. But we got some random good stuff in here. Let's go ahead and pull this out. This is what I saw when I first opened the box. Ornaments. 42 Christmas ornaments. It looks like they're white, clear, and sparkly white. I am not mad about this at all. Ooh. One of them is broken. You can hear the glass. I wonder if the camera will pick it up. Broken glass? Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Oh, we got 2 more items, guys. 2 more. Okay, these. Oh my god, yes. I love the Mandalorian. Look at what we got. Mando, what up, dog? So it's a really adorable lunchbox. So it's Star Wars Mandalorian insulated lunch kit. Gosh, look at the side. It has, and then on the back is just a place to write the name. I think I will actually send this to my nephew. He's a big Star Wars fan, so I think he will really like this. Going in for the last item of this Target general merchandise mystery box unboxing. No idea what this one is. Backpack laundry bag. This is a adjustable backpack with straps for easy transport. It is in a really cute pattern, this green with the white like textured polka dots type thing. Wow, this is, I think, what could you use this for? Like maybe the beach? The beach would work probably with this. We do live in Florida, so it's winter time right now, but in the summer we love to go to the beach. Maybe we could figure out something to do with that. Alrighty, so our grand total today of value of items that I got in our mystery box, $198.95. So this was so much fun. I completely 100% recommend purchasing a mystery box. Now I can't speak for the other boxes, but the Target general merchandise box that I got from CAK Supply online, totally worth it. Most of the items I will be able to put to use or gift to family members. The women's bra and the maternity shorts I will be donating because I don't have a use for them. My family doesn't have a use for them. But overall, I'm really satisfied. We got almost double the value of items that I paid for the mystery box. So that is a thumbs up. I want to know, do you guys enjoy these types of videos? Are you like me? Love watching these types of things online? I'm really glad that I got the opportunity to purchase a mystery box and open it up with you guys in a YouTube video. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I will definitely make sure to respond to you guys. And if you are still watching, I want to tell you I appreciate you. I thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. Until the next video, guys. Bye!